Mr. Rops,
And Mrs. Flynn.
and we are graphing lines. I'm getting excited. I like lines.
All right, well, here we go. We're going to draw the graph of each of the following by completing the table and plotting the points. We're going to clearly state both intercepts.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start off. We have the equation x plus y equals 5, and I'm going to substitute in x to be negative 5. So I have negative 5 plus y equals 5. That gives me y to be?
I'll add 5 to both sides, and I'm going to be 10.
So y equals 10. Okay, now here I have 0 plus y equals 5. That's easy enough.
Oh,
that's
tricky.
5.
I'm struggling. 5.
And the last one.
We put 5 in for x, and we have 5 plus y equals 5.
Minus there. Y is 0.
0.
So intercepts. What are the intercepts? If we have to clearly state both intercepts, that means we have to state the y. Oops, I wrote x when I said y. The x-intercept and the y-intercept.
Okay, so the x-intercept means where it crosses the x-axis.
So that means my y value is going to be 0.
Right.
So when y is 0, that's 5. So I can go over here and plot that point. When x is 5. There we go. That's our x-intercept. And that means our y-intercept is going to be when x is 0. And x is 0 at 5.
5. Nice.
0 at 5.
That's a nice coincidence. Very nice in all these 5s and 0s. It's very quaint.
And our last point is negative 5, 10. Negative 5. Ooh, my eyes are in tricks on me.
Up
here.
one more.
And the right one?
Yep.
Okay, connect your line, and I hope yours is a lot more straight than this one. There we go.
You can use a ruler. We can't.
Okay, next one. Down here. This is actually in slope-intercept form. We talked about that before. So,
what would the slope be?
Oh, I know.
3. Nice.
Which means our intercept is going to be?
Negative 2.
That's easy. What intercept?
Oh, that's
our
the
x or our y?
That is the y-intercept.
All right. So that means I can go ahead and put that on here since I have to state it.
Yep.
That's when x is 0, y is negative 2. So I can go, 0, negative 2. There we go. Okay, back over here. Substituting our values. Y equals 3 times negative 3 minus 2. So that is negative 9 minus 2, negative 11.
Right. The next one is when x equals 2, and we just did that one.
Yeah, negative 2. And when y equals 3 times 3 minus 2.
So 9 minus 2 is 7.
All right, so let's see here. So we have negative 3, negative 11.
Just off the page, yep.
And 3
and 7.
Okay, one thing that we don't have, and we can't get from that kind of graph, is what our x-intercept is. We know our x-intercept is going to be when y is 0. How can we figure that out?
Well, if we could just put, if y is 0, that's our big clue. We make it 0.
Okay, and then we have 3x minus 2. Add 2 here.
Right.
Add 2 here. So we have 2 equals 3x. Divide by 3. So that means 2/3 equals x.
2
There we go.
Great.
That's it.